Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the ZoomX Vaporfly Next Percent by Nike. These released in early August 2019 and I picked these up at Dover Street Market, London for the retail price of £240. This shoe is part of the BeTrue pack, and like the Air Max 90s I covered recently, shameless plug, this pack pays homage to the late Gilbert Baker, who is an LGBTQ rights activist and the designer of the rainbow flag that's printed on this box with his signature on the right hand corner. Inside the box you get a white translucent drawstring bag with a large glossy swoosh that says measured in the lab, verified with medals and records. On the other side it has a default digital clock design, and these shoes come with cardboard inserts. No extra laces this time, but I did like that the black acrylic laces have the finish line checkered print and the Nike swoosh at the lace tips. Although I like the special box design as well as the kit bag, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the brand new ZoomX Vaporfly Next Percent running shoe, and according to Nike is their fastest ever shoe, with its ultralight translucent and water resistant vapor weave material that's used on the upper, which sits on the new ZoomX foam, which is supposed to improve responsiveness and increase energy return. The Next Percent resembles the original 4% Elite, which has that dramatic asymmetric contoured sole. However, the BeTrue version adds a splash of colour to the more simplistic white, silver and black upper, with the left shoe following the pink theme with running at the heel, while the midsole has that gradient red, pink, orange, yellow midsole design. On the right shoe has more of a blue theme with also running at the heel, and the midsole having that gradient blue, green and purple midsole design. Both shoes have silver speckled overlays on the cream outsole, with Nike ZoomX branding on the lateral side of the heel and Gilbert Baker's signature on the medial side. Like the other shoes in the pack, it has sexuality, life, healing, sunlight, nature, magic, serenity and spirit written in a colourful right insole, while the left insole is all pink with Gilbert Baker's signature and BeTrue branding at the heel. All of this sits on a creamy sole with black rubber overlays at the forefoot and a mild peach at the heel. Although this is more of a performance runner, aesthetically this colourway feels very fresh, especially with the silver details on the upper and sole. The ZoomX feels extremely responsive and light, however I recommend going up at least half a size, as you can see it's not very wide foot friendly. But these are definitely comfortable and I recommend these to the running enthusiast who likes their shoes to perform well as well as flexing something super limited. So here are my thoughts on the shoe. Now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Or are you like some of the people who didn't even know these released? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment next to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all relevant links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.